It was a sad day on April 25th as controllers lost contact with Hakuto RM1, the lunar lander developed by the Japanese company ispace. 80 meters above its chosen site near the Atlas crater, the telemetry from the spacecraft cut and was replaced by simulation data. This was 30 seconds before touchdown at a velocity of around 30 kilometers per hour. Initial hope was that communications could be established post-touchdown and Hakuto R would be safely on the ground. 6 hours later, the company ispace came out with a statement discussing the initial investigation. Telemetry data from the lander showed the propellant in the tanks reached the lower limit and the velocity of descent increased. This points to the engine reaching starvation of fuel and the lander smashing to the ground. At this point, the company determined with high probability that the landing phase of the mission was a failure. The significance of the mission is quite immense. The lander carried cargo of both commercial companies and state governments and would have put the rover on the short list for entities that landed craft on the moon. This incident was most likely due to calculation error, and the fault lies with the engineers who developed the mission. That being said, this incident highlights the importance of cybersecurity. Important milestone events need critical data from the system to successfully pull off these autonomous maneuvers. Highly visible failures on these missions could discourage future endeavors by this company and others. A failure for a commercial company could have profound effects on its future outlook, therefore driving stock prices and unreliable outside funding. With the landing site being effectively remote, no intensive investigation can be carried out on the hardware or software, and assumptions have to be made. It would be very easy for disruptions to the system to be hidden.